is coming in this weekend. High is going to be in the low hundreds inland, 90s Bayside. State also warning of a possible flex alert, and this means intermittent power shutoffs are possible as the grid's going to get heavy use, mostly from air conditioning. The problem is, what I read was, when we run light on energy, we grab it from other states, but this heat wave is knocking out pretty much the entire western seaboard. So,
no, my husband's in Oregon right now, and it was 99 yesterday.
yeah, and that's like in northwest degrees, that's about 168.
It's ridiculous.
So they are asking people to help ease up the power grid between the hours of 4 and 9 p.m. today. Set your AC to 78 degrees or higher.
That's high.
Avoid using large appliances. Corey said it's 66 right now. Don't tell anybody.
Don't tell people that.
And don't charge your EV, again, between the hours of 4 and 9 if you can avoid it.
But I'm in a tiny room with a portable AC.
Ain't nobody judging you.
I'm not like in a giant house.
I'm kidding, we're all judging you.
I know.
Tom Hanks has teamed up with Apple to launch a trivia game. It's going to be called Hanks 101. We'll have over 60,000 trivia questions for you to master. Category